Hello everybody, excuse me, this is me, Maya, and look at what I have. This is Pineapple Lily wearing a strawberry shortcake dress. Anyways, I have some other clothes from the strawberry shortcake franchise to make the Shopkins dolls look more unique. Okay, first of all, you need to get some images. If you don't have them, download them from the internet and also tap on add picture, but I'm not going to do that because so I'll tell you what to do. First of all, you select the picture, make sure that it's showing on thing. So you have the picture and you might have to duplicate it if you want to use more than one. Okay, our first step is to crop out the item of clothing from the pictures so I could change them when I want to. Okay. So here we have a skirt. I'm going to try it on. Yeah. And if you think that you have more details or isn't full enough, then you might have to use a brush to fix it up. Or even duplicate the thing. Just do it your own way. Yeah. Maybe that might be a lot of hard work. It's another thing that you could try. Try this. And you just keep on doing it, and if it's not the shape, it's not in the right shape, then I do this. Or if it looks so funny. Okay. And then, look at this. And I'm just going to crop that out. Look at this! Doesn't that look unique on it? Sure does! I'm going to give her old skirt back. And also, that was the tutorial, and I have even more pictures. Oh, and also I could use their hats and handbags. So the clothing options won't be as limited now since you have it. Won't be as limited as they were. And then look at this. I don't have these in real life, but I'm only using images from Google Images from the internet that I downloaded for it. Okay. You can also try the hat on. Look at this. Doesn't that look unique? Nobody has those clothes for the Shopkins dolls. Nobody really has them. So you could do some. Then it might be easier to hide the thing. then you just crop it out. Headband. You don't want to use it. And the doll, yes, it does. You can take the headband off, but I'm just going to do it in another video. I just save it for another video. Okay. Look at this. Wow. Look at this work of art. Look at this lovely piece of art. Man, look at it. Okay, but anyways, this is me, Maya, signing off. Bye!